Now you look at what are the technologies which will make this differentiation. Is I'm sure many of you are very familiar with this four-letter word called SMAC, which is social, mobility, analytics, and cloud. The mobility penetration is moving at an explosive situation at this point of time. The numbers I saw earlier this morning says India would become the second largest nation in the world by 2017 in terms of using of smartphones. So also you would see that cloud-based applications are exploding at this point of time, which means what you need to have is just a smartphone. You don't need to have any disk storage with you. So therefore, applications moving into cloud is yet another major advantage we get through technology to us. A third one is that I'm sure I see a lot of young Gen Y, Gen Z youngsters around me, the amount of time that's being spent on social media. And the social media can be used in terms of exploiting for ensuring that we can use that for building our smart cities. Whether it is crowdsourcing, or it is opinion gathering, or it is question of resolving the concerns the citizens have, social platforms provide you a very easy access to ensure that you can have citizen satisfaction grow very rapidly. And the fourth one I said is analytics, is all about now trying to get the behavioral pattern of our citizens, how they use things, what's the requirement, what's the usage. So therefore, while we can talk about these four technologies of social, mobility, cloud, and analytics, there's yet another one which we think will be the game changer back again. And that is Internet of Things. The cost of IoT today is falling so dramatically. It can be used in everything and anything. As one of the vendors now calls it no longer as Internet of Things, they call it as Internet of Everything. The predictions are at this point of time that on the Internet, because of Internet of Things, you would probably have 20 billion devices and people connected by 2020. It gives a tremendous amount of advantage, therefore, to collect the information. The information can come like a thunder, like a flood, like a tsunami. That's the way in which the data is coming in at this point of time from different applications. You couple that with analytics, then you get meaningful results on it. And finally, two other points I like to make is that there's a lot of work being done on safety and security of these cities, largely because of, again, technology. You can have cameras which have become fairly inexpensive, cameras which have mobility built into them, so you can stream the data from wherever you like. Thereafter, there are video analytics which take care of a number of these challenges. And finally, what you'd also find is overarching all this is the network, whether it's 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G for that matter, is the one which makes technology today a very essential part in making sure that we get this complete neural network. Actually, as some people describe, this is the neurology of a city is all about the ICT technology.